circumstances which aggravate criminal liability. Article 14 of the revised penal code, aggravating circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. Number 1, that advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2, that the crime be committed in contempt of or with insult to the public authorities. Number 3, that the act be committed with insult or in disregard of the respect due to the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that it be committed in the dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. Number 4, that the act be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Number 5, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties or in a place dedicated to religious worship. Number 6, that the crime be committed in the night time or in an uninhabited place, or by a band, whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to have been committed by a bond. Number 7, that the crime be committed on the occasion of conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Number 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or persons who ensure or afford impunity. Number 9, that the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is one who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been previously convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of this code. Number 10, that the offender has been previously punished for an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Number 11, that the crime be committed is consideration of a price, reward, or promise. Number 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment of a locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Number 13, that the act be committed with evident premeditation. Number 14, that craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Number 15, that advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Number 16, that the act be committed with treachery or alivutia. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crime against the person, employing means, methods, or forms in the execution thereof, which tend directly and specially to ensure its execution, without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. Number 17, that means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effects of the act. Number 18, that the crime be committed after an unlawful entry. There is an unlawful entry when an entrance is effected by a way not intended for the purpose. Number 19, that as a means to the commission of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Number 20, that the crime be committed with the aid of persons under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicle, airships, or other similar means. Number 21, that the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately omitted by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.